Welcome to Finpod, your essential daily financial digest. I am Evan, and I am glad you are joining me today to get ahead of the market moves. Finpod is brought to you by Fintwit.ai, your go-to platform for real-time trading signals from X and AI-powered stock analysis. Let's dive in. CRWV is seeing significant interest, up over 5% in pre-market trading, following the announcement of a massive multi-year agreement to supply Meta with AI cloud capacity through 2032, worth roughly $21 billion. Additionally, CoreWeave announced a new $3.5 billion convertible note offering to fund its rapid infrastructure expansion. Taiwan Semiconductor is also grabbing headlines, up over 2%, after reporting stronger than expected first-quarter revenue, signaling that demand for its advanced AI chips remains resilient despite geopolitical tensions in the Middle East. Lumentum is another major mover, jumping over 5%, as the company reported that its order book for optical components is sold out through 2028, driven by intense demand from hyperscalers. Meanwhile, Eli Lilly is holding steady, up slightly, as investors digest the commercial launch of its new oral weight loss pill, Foundeo, through digital health channels like Amazon Pharmacy. On the flip side, ServiceNow is down about 2%, continuing to face pressure as analysts adjust their outlooks amidst a broader software sector sell-off and competitive concerns in the AI space. Turning to the broader market, U.S. index futures are slightly higher as investors carefully monitor the fragile U.S.-Iran ceasefire. The main event today is the Consumer Price Index release. Analysts expect the annual inflation rate to come in around 3%, largely driven by energy costs resulting from Middle East tensions. Markets are looking for any signal on whether the Federal Reserve can stick to its rate cut path later this year. In the world of AI, the innovation pace is relentless. CoreWeave has now inked a multi-year deal to support the development and deployment of Anthropic's Claude AI models. Meanwhile, Meta is reportedly reorganizing its engineering teams to prioritize autonomous AI agents that can build and test software with minimal human intervention. We are also seeing smaller-scale AI integration across the board, from Oracle embedding AI agents into its financial crime platforms to Mitsubishi Electric being recognized for its AI patent leadership. For stocks in focus, besides the names already mentioned, keep an eye on the broader semiconductor space and cloud infrastructure providers, which continue to react to the high capital expenditure trends from the big tech hyperscalers. Regarding earnings, BlackRock is the big one on deck, expected to report early next week. Analysts are looking for a year-over-year increase in earnings, with the market focusing on net inflows into its massive ETF and alternative investment platforms. Washington Federal is also on the radar, though its main report is scheduled for later in the month. To wrap things up, the market is balancing the optimism of a Middle East ceasefire against the reality of sticky inflation data coming out today. We are seeing continued strength in AI-related infrastructure, while software names remain under technical and sentiment pressure. Thanks for listening to Finpod. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe. For detailed analysis and AI-powered stock insights, visit Fintwit.ai. Until next time.